check it out, guys. The MST RMX 2.0, my latest build. We've got some goodies on there. Let's show you what we got. Hello and welcome back to RC Workshop, guys. So I have been building myself a nice new drift car, ready for when the season starts again. I have actually took this drifting once before we shut down, so we have got a video of it running. I'll put that on near the end. And it was also running the Sylvia body. I've got this nice BMW body as well that I'm going to throw on there, I think. Fancy a bit of red, so I'm going to chuck that on there as well to match the rest of the red. As you'll notice, probably the first thing you'll notice is my Overkill Fans that I've put on there. This is originally just 2 fans on one mount. What I've done is actually ascribed the line into the aluminium, bent that fan round, and you can get dual cooling from them fans. I don't care if it's over the top, guys, because I think that looks absolutely freaking awesome. Yeah. So on to some of the hardware, guys. We have got the Yeah Racing Hat Gear steering servo. Nice and smooth, guys. Look at that. And we've got full lock on the steering. Literally full lock until it clicks. There we go. Whew. Really, really nice. Guys, like I say, I have used this once and it drifts really nice as it is. Not going to play with the setup too much. I'm just going to get used to it. We got the Onziski gyro on there as well, so when you actually corner, the gyro actually counter steers for you as well. By the way, guys, that doesn't say that drifting is absolutely easy just because you got a gyro on there. It is really tough, guys, with these rear wheel drive cars. Only rear wheel drive. Few little mods that I've done as well, like I say. So we have got as well the RX842 wireless receiver in there. That also has telemetry as well, which I'll show you around shortly. So other little goodies that have been upgraded, guys. We've got a nice carbon fibre chassis plate put on there to replace the plastic one. That thing is a work of art. Really, really nice CNC work on that chassis plate. We've got the stainless steel screw kit on there as well. We have got carbon fibre shock towers, front and rear. Really, really nice. And we've also got the carbon fibre bumper stop as well. We've got the magnetic body kit. Obviously, I don't like pins in my drift cars. Really, it just looks really, really nice, guys. I really like the way the MST drifts as well. I love the YD2 from Yakomo, but this thing, guys, it just drifts out the box, like I say. Literally stock setup. I've done a few little changes to it, guys, a few little tweaks, and it's where I want it right now. Really, 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 really happy with it. So yeah, I've put my Sanwa Vortex speed control in this. This speed control is absolutely incredible. As well as that, when you run it with the Sanwa RX82 and the Sanwa remote, what it lets you do is put telemetry actually in the remote. So if I just change up, it's hard to do one hand, sorry. There we go. So what we have got, full telemetry on the screen. You can see the temperature of the motor, temperature of the speed control, current battery voltage, and then it gives you telemetry on RPM of the motor as well, so when you floor it. Really, really nice feature, guys. I better not run it too hard actually, because that battery is in storage mode. Hence, it's not giving you the full turbo, the boost when you got the throttle on there. But just to show you guys, the telemetry is a really cool feature. As well as that, what you can do is you can change all the settings on the speed control from the remote. So you go into the main menu, then you go into auxiliary, and then you've got all your boost, your turbo, your deadband. You can change absolutely everything from the remote to the speed control. Really nice feature, guys. You can literally run it on the track and change it as you go until your setup's perfect for you. Wheels and tyres, we've got the Tetsujin adjustable rims on there. As well as that, we got the MST Silver Dot tyres. It just works a treat, guys. It really does, as it is, like I say, and it looks nice with them extra little carbon goodies on. Not sure if I mentioned, I can't remember, I am running the V10 motor from Hobbywing. Let's say that has got the temperature sensor inside, again, so that the motor can read, the remote, sorry, with the telemetry can read the temperature of the motors. It's a 10.5 turn motor, so it does get a little warm, hence the cooling. And then I just wanted to go over the top with the cooling. I've even got the little fan ducts on there as well. These are aftermarket again. So the fan is normally only to where the black parts are, the two fans. These two additional parts you can buy from eBay and your model shops. Oil-filled MST shocks, I've kept them on there as they are, nice and smooth. Let's take it off the stand just in case you want to see the ride height and get an idea of the setup. So there we go, the back end, nice and like dampened. Front end, nice, loose and springy. So the front end literally bounces when you hit that throttle on the track. There you go, you can see the setup is even all the way through. Probably slightly higher on the front, ever so slightly. But that does move up and down as you're driving. Cambers on the front. Try and get a front angle on that to give you an idea what it is. And where the pills are as well, and where everything else, and where the shocks are located. Check that out. What I can do, guys, if you want me to, comment below if you do want me to. I can measure all the setup on this and put that in the comment section below for you to set yours up just the same if you want to. So there you have it, guys. It's just a quick review. Until I've used this a lot more, I don't want to say too much about it. I will get some more goodies by the time we get it back on the track. I'm not sure when that'll be, probably another couple of months from now. I am itching now, guys, to get this back out on the track and use it. Anyway, enjoy the little clip that I'm about to put on of it running around the track. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya! And there you go, just to give you an idea what it actually looks like with that BMW body shell on. That is going to look absolutely awesome on the track. LED lights in the buckets at the front, LED lights on the roof rack. That roof rack is also made of steel, guys, so it makes it a bit top heavy. I'm going to actually 3D print a new one so it's a lot lighter on the top. Oh yeah, that looks really, really good. Woohoo!